A floor or seat lighting system will guide you to the nearest exit. Located immediately behind you. There is a safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please take a moment to review it before takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back fully upright, tray table stowed, the window shades open, and carry-on luggage, cup holders and handsets stowed and locked.
Señoras y señores, a partir de este momento, los dispositivos equipados con la tecnología modo avión deben ser seleccionados en esta opción. Adicionalmente, verifiquen